Question 161. What strategies would you employ to integrate new academic technologies into existing curricula in a way that enhances student engagement? To effectively integrate new academic technologies, I would first assess the current curriculum's strengths and weaknesses. Collaborating with faculty, I would identify specific areas where technology can provide added value. Piloting tools in small groups would allow for feedback and adjustments before wider implementation. Workshops and training sessions would be necessary to ensure that both educators and students are comfortable using the new technology. Additionally, I would gather continuous data on student engagement and learning outcomes to measure effectiveness and make further improvements. Question 162. How do you approach developing a comprehensive assessment strategy for evaluating student performance in an online learning environment? Developing an assessment strategy for online learning begins with defining clear learning objectives aligned with course outcomes. I would incorporate a mix of formative assessments, such as quizzes and peer reviews, along with summative assessments like projects and exams. Utilizing varied formats, such as discussions and multimedia presentations, caters to diverse learning styles. Regular feedback mechanisms are essential, allowing students to self-reflect and improve. Lastly, I would leverage analytics tools to monitor engagement and performance trends, adjusting assessments based on these insights to foster continuous improvement. Question 163. Describe your experience with cloud-based educational platforms and how they can enhance collaborative learning. My experience with cloud-based platforms, such as Google Workspace and Microsoft Teams, has shown significant benefits for collaborative learning. These tools facilitate real-time communication and document sharing, enabling students to work together seamlessly, regardless of location. I would implement features like shared drives for group projects and discussion boards for peer interaction. Additionally, cloud platforms provide scalability and accessibility, allowing for diverse and inclusive participation. Analytics from these platforms can help monitor engagement levels, providing insights to adjust teaching strategies and enhance the learning experience overall. Question 164. Explain how you would troubleshoot a technical issue faced by students during a virtual class session. When troubleshooting a technical issue during a virtual class, I would first assess the problem by asking the student to describe the symptoms. Common issues may include connectivity problems, software malfunctions, or hardware limitations. I would guide them through basic troubleshooting steps, such as checking their internet connection, refreshing the application, or restarting their device. If the issue persists, I would engage IT support to diagnose the problem further, while keeping the rest of the class engaged with alternative activities. Post-session, I would follow up with the student to ensure the issue was resolved and provide additional resources if needed. Question 165. How do you ensure that your teaching methods accommodate diverse learning styles and backgrounds? To accommodate diverse learning styles, I employ a blended teaching approach that incorporates various instructional methods: lectures, discussions, hands-on activities, and multimedia resources. Assessing students' backgrounds through surveys and discussions helps me understand their unique needs. By providing materials in multiple formats, such as videos, readings, and interactive simulations, I cater to visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. Group work and peer mentoring also encourage collaboration among students from different backgrounds, fostering inclusivity. Regular feedback from students enables me to adjust my methods, ensuring that all learners feel supported and engaged. Question 166. Discuss the role of continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD, in academic project development. CCD plays a pivotal role in academic project development by ensuring that code changes are automatically tested and deployed. In an educational context, implementing CCD pipelines allows teams to collaborate more efficiently on software projects, minimizing integration issues. It encourages frequent updates and rapid iteration, which can enhance student projects and research initiatives. By automating testing, students can receive immediate feedback on their code quality, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Furthermore, CCD practices prepare students for industry standards, equipping them with essential skills for future careers in technology and software development. Question 167. What factors do you consider when designing an online course for a diverse audience? In designing an online course for a diverse audience, I consider several key factors: learning preferences, prior knowledge, cultural backgrounds, and accessibility. I begin by conducting a needs assessment to understand the students' varying levels of experience and familiarity with the topic. Incorporating diverse content, including case studies and examples from different cultures, enriches the learning experience. Moreover, ensuring that the course is accessible to students with disabilities is crucial. This includes providing captioned videos and screen reader compatible materials. Finally, I design assessments that allow for multiple means of expression, accommodating individual strengths and preferences. Question 168. How would you evaluate the effectiveness of a new educational tool implemented in your department? To evaluate the effectiveness of a new educational tool, I would establish clear metrics for success, such as student engagement, performance improvement, and user satisfaction. Conducting pre- and post-implementation surveys would help gauge students' understanding and acceptance of the tool. I would analyze engagement metrics, such as time spent on the platform and completion rates, alongside academic performance data to assess impact. Additionally, gathering qualitative feedback through focus groups or interviews can provide insights on user experience. Finally, I would compare the results against established benchmarks to determine if the tool meets its intended goals and make informed decisions about continued use. Question 169. Describe your approach to fostering a culture of academic integrity among students. Fostering a culture of academic integrity involves clear communication, education, and support. I would start by clearly outlining the expectations and consequences regarding academic honesty in the syllabus. Conducting workshops on academic integrity, plagiarism prevention, and proper citation practices would educate students on the importance of ethical scholarship. Encouraging open discussions about ethics and integrity in various contexts helps reinforce these values. Additionally, providing resources such as writing centers and plagiarism checkers supports students in submitting original work. Finally, recognizing and celebrating instances of integrity within the academic community can further promote a culture of honesty. Question 170. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in educational technology? Staying updated with trends in educational technology requires a proactive approach. I regularly read academic journals, blogs, and newsletters focused on educational technology advancements. Attending conferences and webinars provides first-hand insights into emerging tools and methodologies, allowing for networking with industry experts. I also participate in online forums and professional development courses that emphasize the latest innovations. Collaborating with colleagues and engaging in peer discussions helps share knowledge and experiences regarding effective practices. Finally, I make it a point to experiment with new technologies in my own teaching to assess their applicability and effectiveness in enhancing student learning. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.